Guys, what is going on? Welcome to the Best Bet Trades YouTube channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day, and I hope if people out there played calls, they raked in, took profits, made some money this week. For the rest of us, it's been absolutely a crazy week for scalping. Some insane stuff going on in the market today. I've had a phenomenal week today. I did about like $600 just scalping today. But the market's pumping, and obviously we had a lot of significant events happen this week. So not only did we have the debt ceiling voted on and passed, which again doesn't really, it's not really bullish news aside from it kicks the can farther down the road. You're taking a government that has a spending problem, that is $30 trillion in debt, and you're just adding more debt, right? If another business did something like this, it wouldn't be good. But it is the U.S. government, so I really think this rally is definitely interesting. But again, I mean, look at the last 2 days, just absolutely incredible. Today, SPY broke year highs. So that's pretty significant. SPY today's up, over $6.50. So incredible day. If you guys would have bought calls in the bottom and rode this all the way up, or calls yesterday swung overnight, insane day. But aside from that, if you're playing futures or just a scalper like I am, great day. Came down to the 9. You could have went long and rode this and played this all day. Or even if you were really risky and had the balls, I should say, when it gets to the top, like I did today in my case, I scalped against the trend, which is definitely dangerous. You have to be a sniper to do that. But again, when you have a big over exaggerated candle like this one here, that rides up, you can typically scalp the next candle down, and you really don't need that much movement to make a lot of money. So that's exactly what I did today. I scalped this candle here. I didn't even come all the way down to this next candle, this wick all the way down here. I think I wrote it like maybe down here. And this is on ES, but the two charts move alike, obviously. And then I did this again right here at, this candle obviously shot up. I got in here and rode this candle down. Really easy. Like I said, it's really, really simple if you're scalping quick. But the SPY's still ripping at the end of the day here. Obviously, looking at the future for the stock market, the non-farm payrolls came out. Expected was 190,000, and it was a huge beat by 339,000. And remember, we have Feds guys who are trying to bring inflation down. A lot of their decision making when it comes to raising rates, there's lots of variables, but this is one of them, right? They want to see the non-farm payrolls come down. They want to see less. Obviously, people in this country need to go through pain for them to meet their end goal, right? So when you see the economy getting better when inflation is still super high, or non-farm payrolls are super high, and they're getting stronger, it is an indicator that the Feds have to do more to get inflation down, which in turn is actually bad news for the market. So for me, this pump today, again, it really doesn't matter what I think, because market makers and the criminals are going to do what they want to do anyways. But this pump really doesn't make that much sense to me. Again, I don't care, because I'm somebody who plays the chart every day, right? I'm not, worrying about positioning myself for weeks on end. Just wake up in the morning, play the chart. That's all I do. But this pump is kind of bogus in my opinion. And that's just me being real with you guys. So that being said, still can make money with it though. And again, it's going to be interesting to see coming up what the Feds are going to have to do, especially when, we're growing, when that's not something the Feds want to happen. So that's the video, guys. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend, and we will see you next week. Thanks for coming to the channel, and everybody take care.